first part of the table, choose the text that best describes the story's background.
Okay, we still do this one. Okay. Do you know which one? Do you know which one? Let's read it. Annie. What are you doing?
Ellie and
Hazel
are visiting her natural park.
Okay, which one? Look at which background.
They are hoping to feed some of the birds.
Annie. I think I forgot how to say it.
Ellie.
Annie.
Ellie.
Annie.
Ellie.
Okay, Annie.
Holly and
Hazel
are visiting a zoo. They are especially excited to see the penguins. Holly and Hazel are visiting a bookstore. They are looking for a new book on the shelf. Holly and Hazel are visiting a museum. They are going to watch a movie about penguins.
Okay, do you know which one?
Eddie and Hazel are visiting a zoo. They are especially excited to see the penguins.
Okay. Okay.
Complete the second part of the table. Choose the text that best describe the main problem in the story.
Okay.
Problem. Solution.
Annie
is embarrassed by Hazel's penguin clothing.
Good.
The girls are
Get
here, there. The girls get there too late to see the penguin feeding. It is too crowded for Eddie and
Annie
and Hazel to see the penguins. The penguin exhibit
good.
is unexpectable. Unexpectedly
Okay.
closed.
Okay, which one? What? Okay.
This one.
Yeah, what are you doing? No. Let's finish it. Okay.
Solution. A zookeeper tells the family about a new fish exhibit.
Good.
A zookeeper offers to let Eddie and
Annie
and Hazel feed the seals. A zookeeper invites Eddie and
Annie
and Hazel to watch the seals shell. She shall a zookeeper lets the family meet the penguins behind the
Scenes.
scenes.
Okay, which one?
As a zookeeper, a zookeeper offers to let at the end
Amy.
and Hazel to feed the seals.
Okay.
Submit
Okay.
your thoughts.
No. Wait. Continue. Okay. Here. After break, you could do it.
Ellie,
Ellie.
Ellie,
Ellie.
Ellie,
Ellie.
Ellie,
Okay,
Ellie.
Annie. Okay. Okay. Now let's finish this part. Okay. Okay.
Using the information from the table, complete a summary of the story. Help feed the seals during I shall are excited to visit the penguins at the zoo. Learn that the penguin exhibit is closed. See the penguins like they paddle
Planned. Okay.
Ellie and her little sister Hazel.
Okay. Okay, let's do it.
This one.
Okay, let's try it. Okay.
However, they
Okay.
help feed the seals during that the penguin is
Exhibit.
It is closed. See the penguins like they
Planned. Okay. So, however, you see, this one is background. They are excited to visit the penguins at the zoo. However, they run into a problem. Okay. Yeah.
The sisters are both upset that they cannot.
Okay.
This one.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Okay. They drag another one.
This one.
Yeah.
Put here.
Okay.
Submit.
Okay. Okay, that's a summary. Okay, that one story. Okay, another one. Yeah. Puzzling. Okay, puzzling. Okay, puzzle. Puzzling, which means make people confused. Puzzling. Okay, what's this? Do you know?
beam,
Beam.
beam, beam,
Beam. Yeah, I only know it's a noun. I didn't know it actually used as a verb. Beam. Beam can be used as a verb here.
Verb. To smile happily.
Good.
She beamed as she told us the good news.
Okay, they beam smile happily. Okay. Puzzling.
puzzling,
Puzzling.
puzzling,
Puzzling.
puzzling,
Adjectives. Adults. Difficult to understand or solve.
Good. Puzzling symptom.
The
Okay, make it
puzzling,
puzzling,
Okay,
puzzling,
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 okay, spell.
Puccling, puzzling.
Okay, puzzling. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I think confounding. Puzzling anyway, it's harder to understand. Okay, it's difficult to understand. Okay,
A puzzling day.
okay, a day make people confused. I need to click twice.
Welcome to How to Pronounce. In today's video, we'll be focusing on a new word that you might find challenging or intriguing. So let's dive into today's word,
Danny,
which means,
a diminutive form of the male given name Daniel.
let's say it all together.
Danny,
Danny, Danny,
Danny,
Danny, Danny,
Danny,
Okay,
One more
Danny.
time.
Danny,
Danny,
Okay, Danny. Okay. Okay, Danny.
Danny.
Paste.
Paste.
Paste here used as a verb. Paces. Pace. Used as a verb. What's that?
Puzzling,
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 puzzling. Adjective. Difficult to understand
Okay.
or solve.
Okay. Pace.
Pace,
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 pace. To walk with often, slowly,
Snow.
so
Okay. Walk snow. To walk with. Snow. March.
that's
Yeah, I think that is right. To move a noun with a steady, regular steps.
move along with a steady
Regular.
step.
Okay. What's that?
March,
March.
pace,
Okay, pace. That's what I meant. Okay. Pace. Okay.
pace, verb,
Okay, with a steady speed. Okay,
moving along with a steady
regular step. Okay, that's the pace.
pace,
Can speak.
P-A-C-E, pace.
Okay. Okay, Danny paces.
Danny paces in front of the library doors, counting the blocks. Bricks.
Okay,
A few other kids are talking while they wait. He doesn't look at them though. He's busy thinking about his
strategy. Okay, his strategy.